Hello everyone, this is Rhonda here of Virtu for You Creative, and in this video I am going to explore an app. It's the text to image app in Canva. If you use Canva frequently, you know that Canva is constantly upgrading their technology to help us create content better and faster, more efficiently, and to enhance the content creation process as well. So I just want to, record me exploring this app and you exploring it with me if you haven't already. And maybe you did, and maybe you just want to, watch me create text to images. So here is the text to image app here. And it says here, type what you like to see and watch it come to life. You're invited to try brand new technology that generates whatever image you describe. Leave feedback afterwards to help shape the future. Blah, blah, blah. So you can use an existing design or use a new design. I'm going to use a new design. And I see here they come up with templates. Whether you can create one as an Instagram story, as an Instagram post, Facebook cover, video. So I'm just going to create one in a Instagram post. I know this taking a minute to come up, so please bear with me. So it's coming up. So as you see here in this box says text image, describe the image that you want and we'll create it for you. And then they have all types of styles that you could create the image, and the aspect ratio, square, landscape, or portrait. I'll keep it at square. I'm going to look at all those styles. So they have, you can create photos, vibrant styles, minimalist, neon, filmic, retro, wave, 3D, color, pencil. So, let's see what I'll try first. Let's try the concept art first. So, let's see. I'ma put in alligators swimming in the river. Do alligators swim in rivers and ponds as well? Well, I'm just gonna try it out and see what happens. So it says, create your image. And let's see how that goes. So here's the image. So I'ma click on this one, number 2, and see how that look. So I see, I guess this right here is the alligators, and here's the person right here swimming. I mean, I wouldn't want to be in that river with them pond, well, it looks like a river with them alligators. So, well, it is a river because that's why I typed in. They turned out okay, in my opinion. Let's see what this one looked like. So I don't know exactly what, I guess these alligators, they sure don't look it. This looks like a person swimming, so. That doesn't look like an alligator to me. So that looks like a tree branch or something. Oh well, I don't like this design, so I'm going to delete those and try another one. Okay, so you can go under create again. I'm gonna start over, and then I'm gonna, let's see, backyard. Let's try backyard family barbecue and see where that takes us. These look better. I like these. So here's one. That's the first one. Here's the second one. So I guess that blue thing, that's like the grill. It's my first time seeing a grill like that. Looks like a fireplace. This is a nice picture here. So I like the way these turned out. Okay, so I'm gonna let's see what create again does. So they created some more family barbecue pictures, which are beautiful here. Well, excuse me, 3D images. Alright, so let's try again. Start over. Fireworks in the night sky. Let's try that. So let's see where that takes us. So those turn out pretty beautiful as well. So, and you can pretty much see how they look over here on the side. You see them pretty well because I'm gonna stop there placing them on this blank canvas. Okay, so I need to move that up some, bit like that. But as you see, that one got the sunset there. This one has the night sky and the grass of sunset. Okay, so that is it for this Explore With Me video on Canva's text to image app. And please like this video, subscribe, and click the notification bell symbol for alerts to be notified of other Canva tutorials and Explore With Me videos, plus tips on social media and visual content marketing. And let me know, have you tried Canva's text to image, and how do you like it? I think it's a pretty cool feature. I will be using this more often. So thanks for watching, and let's discuss those questions I've asked in the comments. See you soon.